What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Real Estate Money Media. I'm your host, Cornell Dayne. And here on this channel, we are interested in doing deep dives on reports, videos, and just flat out articles that help us to navigate the financial landscape. We're armed here at the channel with a degree of experience in valuation and appraisals, brokerage experience, and just the meticulous attention to detail that's necessary when thinking about real estate investment, commercial real estate investment. Our mission is to help you navigate your real estate journey by giving you insights and arming you with the information that's going to help you to do that. So, if you would, please watch a few videos, stay a while, get comfortable, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.